Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage egg fry. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of finely shredded cabbage and 2 large eggs. Make sure you have 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, along with salt and pepper for seasoning. This simple dish comes together quickly with just a few basic items from your kitchen. Next, let's get everything prepped. Take your cabbage and shred it finely, aiming for about 2 cups. In a separate bowl, crack 2 large eggs and whisk them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are well combined. You can also chop 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic now, and have any additional spices, like a pinch of turmeric, ready to go. Now let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and garlic, sautéing for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Then, add the shredded cabbage to the pan. Stir well and cook the cabbage for 5 to 7 minutes, or until it becomes tender and slightly softened. Finally, it's time to add the eggs. Pour your whisked eggs evenly over the cooked cabbage in the pan. Let them set for a moment, then gently scramble the eggs with the cabbage for about 2 minutes until they are fully cooked. Season with salt and pepper to your taste. Serve your delicious cabbage egg fry hot, either as a quick breakfast or a simple side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.